In this class we will learn about addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. Remember, like fractions. First you will learn about like fractions. Later, addition of unlike fractions you can learn. So, one important thing is that while adding like fractions or sum of like fractions, sum in the sense total addition. Sum of like fractions is equal to sum of the numerators. Sum of the numerators and denominator will be common. One example, 1/3 plus 2/3. So 1/3 and 2/3 both are like fractions because denominators are same. Already I told you, if the denominators are same, such fractions are called like fractions. So we are adding like fractions, addition of like fractions, 1/3 plus 2/3. See, sum of the like fractions in a sense, sum of the numerators, numerator 1, here numerator is 2, 1 plus 2, sum of the numerators 1 plus 2. Common denominators 3, 3. So denominator is same, so common denominator. This formula is only for addition of like fractions, not addition of unlike fractions, because in unlike fractions denominators will not be same. Denominators are not same in unlike fractions. So it is like these fractions are like fractions, so addition of like fractions, it's easy to add. Here you have to just add numerators, not the denominators. Don't add the denominator, just place the same denominator, 3, 3. Place the common denominator. So both are 3. I'm writing 3, but you have to add the numerator 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Denominator also 3. If the numerator and denominators are same, its value is 1. Its value is 1. If numerators and denominators are same, its value is 1. One more example. Five by 9 plus 3 by 9 I'm adding one more, 1 by 9. Why I wrote denominators same? Because it's addition of like fractions. So all the fractions here, fractions are given fractions are like fractions. Sum of the numerators and common denominator. Sum of the numerators 1 plus 5 plus 3. You can add these fractions in any order. 1/3 plus 3/9 plus 5/9 or 5/9 plus 1/9 plus 3/9. Any order you can add. No change. The result will not be changed. So I added 1 plus 5 plus 3. Here denominator not 9 plus 9 plus 9. Denominator you have to write the common denominator, that is 9, because in all the denominators are same. Denominator is 9, numerator you have to add 1 plus 5 plus 3. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 by 9 in the sense 1. If the numerator and denominators are same, that is 1 or both. I am changing, I'm writing 4 in the place of 1, means 1 result we will get. So in the place of 1 by 4, I wrote 4 by, in the place of 1 by 9, I wrote 4 by 9. So denominator same 9, 4 plus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, denominator 9. So already I told you, we can't keep the improper fraction in the same state, we have to change. Before that we have to simplify it. Simplification, numerator and denominator, if both numerator and denominator are divisible by any other number, we can simplify except 1. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So we got 4 by 3, 4 by 3. However, we simplify a improper fraction, we will get improper fraction only. It's a simple form of the improper fraction. Now we can change into mixed fraction. In 4, 3 goes only once. 3 divisible in 4. So 3 ones is 3. 1 remaining, denominator same, 1 more 1 by 3. So it's about addition of like fractions. So first you have to add the sum of the numerators and you have to write a common denominator. Denominator is common because like fractions, denominators will be same. In the addition of fractions, you can add any number of fractions. In the last example, we added 3 fractions. We can add many fractions, 3 fraction or 4 fraction or 5 fraction. We can add, but follow the same method. Here there are some properties of addition of fractions. 2 fractions can be added in any order. 2 fractions can be added in any order. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus, okay, here there are 2 fractions. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 or 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. The result is same. However, you add 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5, the result will be same, no change at all. 3 fractions can be added by adding any 2 fractions, then adding the third to the sum of the previous 2. Suppose 6 by 9. Okay, you can add any 2 fractions. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 we can add, then we can add 6 by 9, or we can add 1 by 5 plus 6 by 9, then we can add 2 by 5, or we can add second and third fraction 2 by 5 plus 6 by 9, then we can add 1 by 5. However, we can add in any order, the result is same. The addition of 0 to a fraction gives the fraction itself. One by 5 plus 0 is equal to 1 by 5. We know that, for example, 5 by 0 is equal to 5, same. The same way 1 by 5 plus 0 also 1 by 5. But if we add 1 to that, It will be 1 whole 1 by 5. Directly we can write. If we add a whole number to a fraction, directly we can write as whole number in the form of mixed fraction. Okay, exercise. Some problems are done on the board. Add the following. All are like fractions. Easily you can add. Just add the numerators, not the denominators. Place the common denominator. Here also fill in the blanks, blank spaces. Here denominator same, numerator you have to add. Find the total. Add by coloring as indicated. 2 by 6 yellow. Any 2 you have to color in yellow. 3/6 in pink. Total number of division 6. You know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To any 2 we have to color yellow and any 2 pink. And add 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So 2 plus 3. Don't add the denominators. Common denominator. 2 plus 3 5. Denominator 6. It is in the simple form, so no need to change. Total number of divisions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 part out of 5 red. Any one you have to color in red, and 2 part in the blue, any 2, and then add 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 5, same, 3 plus 5. Subtraction of like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. In the addition we will get sum, but in the subtraction we get difference in the place of sum. Difference of like fractions is equal to, in the addition of like fractions we have to find the sum of numerators, but here we have to find the subtraction, so we have to find the difference. Difference of numerators and common denominator. Difference of numerators and here common denominator. Subtraction of like fraction. One example, 15 by 23 minus 9 by 23. We have to find the difference of like fractions. The given fractions are like fractions because denominators are same. See, common denominator 23. Difference of numerators 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. Same like addition of like fractions, here subtraction. In the place of sum, we have written difference. Difference of numerators, here common denominator. 15 minus 9. Denominator same. 15 minus 9, 6. Denominator 23. 6 by 23, it's in simple form. We can't simplify it again. So, if the fraction is improper, you have to write in the form of mixed fraction. But if it is proper fraction, you can keep as it is. But it should be the simple form. It is simplest form. In the subtraction of like fractions, only two fractions you can subtract. I mean, we have to find the difference of any two. Same way you can find the difference. Here denominator 14 will be same. 9 minus 3, 6 by 14, and when you get 6 by 14, you have to simplify. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So 3 by 7 is the simplest form, simplest proper fraction. 6 by 41 minus 3 by 41. 6 minus 3, 3. Denominator 41, same denominator, 3 by 41. Fill in the blanks. Follow the same method. But here some properties are given. A fraction does not change if 0 is subtracted from the fraction. Fraction doesn't change. One by 4 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 4. There is no change in the value of a fraction when we subtract 0 from that fraction. Any fraction, when we subtract 0 from any fraction, the result will not change. We will get the same 1 by 4 here. And a fraction when subtracted from itself gives 0. When we subtract a fraction by itself, say 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So when we subtract a fraction by itself, one fraction is other fraction and subtract, we will get 0. We will get 0. 2 by 6 or 2 by 9, whatever, minus 2 by 9. 2 by 9 minus 2 by 9, we will get 0. Subtract by marking a slanting line. First one has been done for you. So 2 by 3 colored part, 1 by 3, result is 1 by 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 4 are colored. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. 4 minus 1, 3 by 5. Denominator plus sign. So use to write the common denominator. Exercise I. A container A is filled with 1/5 liter of oil, with container B is filled with 1/5 liter. What is the total quantity of oil in both the container? You have to add 1 by 5 in container A and in container B 3/5. So 1/5 plus 3/5. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. You have to add. Denominator same, common denominator. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 5 will be the total quantity. You have to write in terms of liter. That's important. what is the total quantity of oil in both the containers? The total quantity of oil in both the containers is 4/5 liter. In the same way, you can add all our okay. Suman eats 1/4 of a chocolate bar. What fraction of bar is left? See, Suman eats 1/4 of a chocolate bar. What fraction of the bar is left? ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ? So Suman eats 1/4 of a chocolate bar. So earlier it was 1, means whole. Earlier it was 1, 1/4 was eaten, the remaining how much? So 1/4 in the sense 1 by 1/4. 1 by 1 also same 1. 1 by the numerator. For every number there is denominator 1. If it is whole number, the denominator is 1. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. If the denominators are different, we have to make it equal by adding same number to numerator and denominator. Minus 1 by 4. So result is 3 by 4. So such problems will not come in this. You have to add the same number to both numerator and denominator to equalize the denominator. Here we got 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. The remaining part is 3 by 4. Andre mukkal bhaga ulidide kaalu bhaga agade. Choose the correct option. You can write.